Hello beautiful people, Yasmin here. Welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Today you're in for an amazing treat, as I always say. I am sharing with you this incredibly moist, super delicious chicken meatballs. That's right, these are chicken meatballs and they're influenced with Greek and Mediterranean spices. They have a lot of cumin, some fresh dill, fresh oregano. It's absolutely delicious, I promise you this. So stick around long enough and you'll be able to see how I make these absolutely delicious darlings. It is so moist. I promise you it's magnificently delicious. Two pounds of lean chicken, and I'm going to add the onions. I put it in the paper towel to help release some of the liquid. Gonna add 2 tablespoons of fresh dill, 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, hot Hungarian paprika 2 teaspoons, sea salt 1.5 teaspoons, fresh ground black pepper 1/2 teaspoon, and then fresh garlic about 1.5 teaspoons. Mix. I'm using a sheet pan lined with parchment paper, coat with olive oil. And then I'm going to form these into small meatballs. About 2 tablespoons each. I'm going to place them right on the sheet pan. Okay, so the meatballs are all ready for the oven. These made about 16 or 17 meatballs. They're about 2 inches in diameter. I have a couple of smaller ones that I just sandwich in between the larger ones. You really don't want the meatballs to be more than about 2 inches in diameter. Or if you make them any larger, you'll need to bake them at a lower temperature as well as for a longer period of time. So these are really going to bake very fast. So this is going into my preheated oven, which is at 450 degrees. So let's do that. Okay, so the meatballs have been roasting or baking for about 12 minutes. So it's time for me to flip it at least once. So let's do that. Okay, so the meatballs have been baking for another 12 minutes or so, 12-13 minutes. It should be just about ready. It smells incredible in here. How beautiful these look. Yum. They smell terrific. Look at that. Wow guys, my favorite time. It smells amazing in here. Tasty. It is so moist. The cumin, a little bit of the hot Hungarian pepper, you could taste a hint of it. It's not too spicy at all. The fresh oregano and dill all make this meatball super delicious. I promise you, it's magnificently delicious. I do hope you'll take the time to make this recipe and enjoy it as much as we do around here. Until next time, happy cooking!